the kind of response that we are getting after doing so well in the World Cup is overwhelming, I would say. Firstly, to meet the Prime Minister. I wouldn't say it was a dream. The dream has always been to represent India, wear that blue cap. But then to meet him, someone who runs the country called us, spoke to us, and the kind of reception that I have gotten back here in Goa, I'm overwhelmed. And thank you for all of the support that I've been getting. So it's already mentioned everything about me. I would say, you talk about global Indian, I would consider myself a global Indian. I am a native of UP, my parents are from UP. I was born in Telangana. We moved to Goa when I was 8. So we've been in Goa for 20 years now, and I'm a proud Goenkar. There's no doubt about it. I joined Air Force. I got commissioned on June 2012. And then after that, everything just fell in place. I got huge support from IAF, AFSCB, which is the sports promotion board with the Air Force. And I debuted for India in 2014 during the World Cup, which itself, I take huge pride in saying that the selectors had so much faith that for someone to debut in a World Cup playing against 8 countries was a huge thing for me. I incidentally also am the first Indian woman to score a 50 and take 3 wickets. I'm the only one who's done it till now. I hope I get more opportunities that way. Bowling all-rounder, I call myself. And the journey has, I would say the journey has just begun. 2014 I debuted, and here in 2017 we are playing the final of the World Cup. All of us would be watching, yes, all of us would be asking me a question as to what happened. I would just say that, even I don't know what happened. At the end of the day, it's just a game. Someone has to lose and someone has to win. Probably we can just go ahead, learn from the mistakes that we have done, and take pride in what we have done. You in particular will be inspired by what PM told us, and the next day, on Sunday I think, it was broadcasted as well. He said, for the first time in my life, this was the first cricket match where the win or the loss did not matter. The loss, हिंदी में बोला था उन्होंने, जो आप लोग हारे हैं उसका पूरा जो भार है 1.5 बिलियन जो जनता भारत की है उसने अपने कंधों पे लिया है.
की जो महिला खेळाडू त्या प्रत्येक राज्यातले खेळ्यो ह्या टिमीन त्यांचे प्रत्येक राज्यान त्याचो गौरव केलो गेलो, तांकां रोख बक्षिसां दिली गेली, पण त्याची नोंद थंय जर त्यांचा येदो व्हडलो गौरव जाता जाल्यार शिखा पांडेचो गौरव आमच्या गोव्यान कित्याक जावचो न्ही, हेची नोंद गोंय सरकार, स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशन घेवची आनी शिखा पांडेचो गौरव करून ताका कितें तरी रोख बक्षीस दिवचे अशी हांव शिफारस ह्या सभागृहान करता.
हे खेळलेले आहात आनी जे प्लेयर मुखार सरले आहात गोंयचे वर्ल्डा भितर जे नांव कमयलें तेंचे खातीर बेगींतल्यान बेगीन आमी एक स्कीम तयार करतली तांकां प्रायजीस दिवपा खातीर.